Hello everybody and welcome back. I have a great announcement. I will be at A-Kon, Fair Park, Dallas, Texas, June 27th through the 30th. This is going to be my second time in Texas. I had such a great time last time, but this will be my first time at A-Kon. I'm looking forward to seeing you all there. We're going to do workshops and panels. It's going to be a blast. Looking forward to it. Now I got your attention. This is my play button I got when I reached 100,000 subscribers. And I want to take this time to thank you because right now I'm at 177,000, about to reach 200,000 subscribers. And the best way for me to say thank you is for you to comment on this video below and write to my email at eviltedsmith.com, get on my mailing list, and tell me what are the kind of tutorials you guys would like to see. What are techniques that you struggle with? And please, don't send me emails about, hey, you should build this particular character or build this prop that you want to see. I'm more concerned about techniques and things that you people struggle with. And I'm sure there's a lot of people out there struggle with the same thing. So please write to me, let me know what more tutorials you would like to see me focus on, technique-wise. And that would be my way of saying thank you. Again, everybody, thank you so much for your support. Again, I would not be here making videos and going to conventions if it wasn't for you. So please comment. I look forward to hearing from you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you back next time right here on the Evil Ted channel.